Today's topic is sleep. Definition. Sleep is defined as unconsciousness from which the person can be aroused by sensory or other stimuli. Two type of sleep: slow wave sleep and a rapid eye movement sleep. It is known as a REM sleep. Slow wave sleep, it is a restful sleep that the person experiences during the first hour of sleep after having been awake for many hours. It is associated with a decrease in both peripheral vascular tone and many other vegetative function of the body. Vegetative functions like decrease in blood pressure 10 to 30 percentage, respiratory rate, basal metabolic rate. The brain waves are very strong and very low frequency, and it is dreamless sleep. There is no dream is associated with this sleep, slow wave sleep. Now REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep, it is also known as a paradoxical sleep and desynchronized sleep. It occurs in episodes that occupy about 25% of sleep time in young adults. Each episode normally recurs about every 90 minutes, lasting 5 to 30 minutes, usually appear on the average every 90 minutes. It is not so restful and it is associated with the vivid dreaming. Now, characteristic features of REM sleep. It is associated with the active dreaming and active bodily muscle movements. Person is even more difficult to arouse by sensory stimuli than during slow wave sleep, and yet people usually awaken spontaneously in the morning during episode of REM sleep. Muscle tone throughout the body is exceedingly depressed, indicating strong inhibition of spinal muscle control areas. Heart rate and respiratory rate usually become irregular, which is characteristics of dream state. Despite the extreme inhibition of peripheral muscle, irregular muscle movements do occur. Brain is highly active in REM sleep and overall brain metabolism may be increased as much as 20%. The electroencephalogram EEG shows pattern of brain waves similar to those that occur during wakefulness. So this type of sleep is known as a paradoxical sleep because it is paradox that person can still be asleep despite marked activity in the brain. So this is EEG pattern. Okay, in sleep alert wakefulness beta waves are there. In quiet wakefulness alpha waves appears. In stage 1 sleep there is a low voltage spindles, okay, on EEG. Stage 2 and 3 of sleep characterized by theta waves. Stage 4 slow wave sleep delta waves, and REM sleep there is a beta waves. Okay, so it is similar to beta waves of alert wakefulness. Okay, rapid eye movement sleep. Now basic theories of sleep. Passive theory. An earlier theory of sleep was that excitatory areas of upper brain stem like reticular activating system simply fatigue during waking day and become inactive, and as a result there is a sleep. Sleep is believed to be caused by an active inhibitory process. It was discovered that transacting the brain stem at the level of midpoints creates a brain whose cortex never goes to sleep. In other words, there seems to be some center located below the midpointine level of the brain stem, and that is required to cause sleep by inhibiting other parts of the brain. So neuronal centers for sleep. Raphe nuclei in lower half of the pons and in the medulla secrete serotonin, and nucleus of tractus solitarius, and several regions in diencephalon like rostral part of hypothalamus, mainly in suprachiasmal area, an occasional area in the diffuse nuclei of the thalamus. Okay, so these are the neuronal center for sleep. Now, lesion in sleep promoting center can cause intense wakefulness. For example, raphe nuclei and medial rostra suprachiasmal area in anterior hypothalamus. If there is a lesion of this area, then it causes intense wakefulness. Possible transmitter substance related to sleep. So main neurotransmitter is found in serotonin, then muramyl peptide found in CSF and urine in animal kept awake for several days. Non-appetite isolated from blood of sleeping animal. Interleukin 1, adenosine, delta sleep inducing peptide, prostaglandin D2 and arginine vasotoxin. Okay, so these are the neurotransmitter. Now possible causes of sleep, REM sleep. Drugs that mimic the action of acetylcholine increases the occurrence of REM sleep. The large acetylcholine secreting neuron in upper brainstem reticular formation might, through their extensive efferent fibers, activate many portions of the brain. Cycle between sleep and wakefulness. The following possible mechanism for causing sleep wakefulness cycle. Sleep centers when inactivated, mesencephalic and upper pontine reticular activating nuclei are released from inhibition and leads to stimulation of this reticular activating nuclei and become spontaneously active due to inhibition of this mesencephalic and upper pontine reticular activating nuclei. Now, due to activation of this reticular activating nuclei, it excites both the cerebral cortex and peripheral nervous system and send numerous positive feedback signal back to the same reticular activating nuclei and to activate them still further. So brain remains activated for many hours. Now neurons themselves in activating system presumably become fatigued and consequently the positive feedback cycle between mesencephalic reticular nuclei and cerebral cortex fades and there is a sleep promoting effect of sleep centers and it leads to sleep. Now physiologic effect of sleep. Lack of sleep affect the functions of the central nervous system. Person can become irritable or even psychotic after forced wakefulness. Physiological changes during non-REM sleep. Muscle tone decreases progressively, heart rate and blood pressure are decreased, respiratory rate decrease, eyes begin to slow rolling movement until they finally stop in stage 4 deep sleep. Body metabolism is lowered, pituitary shows pulsatile release of growth hormone and gonadotropin. Now behavioral changes during non-REM sleep. Progressive reduction in consciousness, increased resistance to being awakened. It is more difficult to wake up a person from stage 3 and 4 than from stage 1 and 2. No reporting of dreaming. There is some response to meaningful stimuli even in sleep. It indicates that sensory processing continues at some level after onset of sleep. For example, sleeping mother is more likely to hear her own baby's cry than the cry of others' baby. Now intellectual function during non-REM sleep. Thought become illogical and incoherent towards the onset of sleep. Retrograde amnesia during transition from wakefulness to sleep. Now factors affecting sleep. Factors favor the onset of sleep are darkened room, comfortable surrounding temperature, silence, physical and mental relaxation. Anxiety, emotional stimuli by release of epinephrine, it causes activation of reticular activating system and make sleep more difficult. Now stages of non-REM sleep. In stage 1 EEG pattern, low amplitude mixed frequency activity V wave, mild to moderate stimuli are often unable to produce full arousal. Stage 2 light sleep, appearance of sleep spindles, Alpha like wave periodically interrupt the alpha rhythm, and there is a K complex in EEG. Stage 3, moderate deep sleep, high amplitude slow wave delta waves are seen. In stage 4, deep sleep, EEG pattern dome like very slow large waves delta waves are seen, and there is a rhythmic slow waves. Polysonography. Okay, so this is polysonography showing oculography, electromyography and electroencephalography. Okay, and different stage of slow wave sleep. Now physiological changes during REM sleep: rapid eye movement, heart rate and respiration becomes irregular, muscle tone is reduced, snoring due to partial obstruction of airway caused by relaxed tongue, twitching of limb musculature occasionally. Now variation in total sleep duration. During infancy there is a 16 hour of sleep, during childhood it becomes 10 hours, during adulthood 7 to 8 hours, and during old age it is less than 8 hours. Okay, so there is a variation in sleep duration according to age. Now variation in time period, effect of age: prematurely born infants spend 80% of sleep in REM, full term infants spend 50% of REM sleep. Total time spent in REM sleep is reduced to about 1.5 to 2 hours by puberty. And effect of temperature: REM sleep is disrupted by extremes of temperature. Effect of circadian rhythms: REM peaks in morning hours. Effect of drugs: benzodiazepines, drug like diazepam reduces non-REM sleep. Barbiturates, tricyclic antidepressant and monoamine oxidase inhibitors reduces REM sleep. Alcohol, REM suppression early in the night. Genesis of sleep. Genesis of non-REM sleep. First, a diencephalic sleep zone in hypothalamus and nearby intralaminar and anterior thalamic nuclei. There is a diencephalic sleep zone. Okay, a sleep facility area present in anterior hypothalamus and a waking center present in posterior hypothalamus. Medullary synchronizing zone, okay, which is present in reticular formation of medulla oblongata, and basal forebrain sleep zone present in preoptic area and diagonal band of Broca. So these are the various centers producing sleep. Now genesis of REM sleep: generated by interaction of neuron in caudal midbrain and pons with the neuron in medulla and forebrain. Physiological significance: serves as body's rest and metabolic restoration, necessary for certain forms of learning. REM sleep necessary for mental well-being, and has important role in homeostatic mechanism. Now sleep disorders. Insomnia: it is an inability to have sufficient or restful sleep. Fatal familial insomnia, worsening insomnia. Okay, and there is an impaired autonomic and motor function. There is a dementia and eventually death. Narcolepsy, irresistible urge to sleep, means narcolepsy. REM sleep is entered directly from the waking states, and it manifests as episode of sudden sleep while performing daytime tasks. Cataplexy: in some narcolepsy patients, the profound reduction in muscle tone characteristics of REM sleep can occur without loss of consciousness. Individual suddenly becomes paralyzed and falls to the ground, and it is unable to move. Dream-like state during wakefulness and hallucination. Sometimes there is a sleepwalking. It is known as a somnambulism, bedwetting, nocturnal enuresis. It is involuntary voiding of urine, which is mostly seen in children during slow wave sleep. Nightmares, episode of night terror occurs in slow wave. REM behavior disorder: REM sleep not associated with the inhibition of muscle tone. Thank you.